Mabuhay, maayong hapon sa tanan. Guys, 7 hours more to go before we will embrace and we will welcome the brand new year of 2025. Guys, I am excited for what God has in store for me on 2025 tomorrow. But I will offer and I will entrust everything to Him, because according to His word, according to His promise in Psalms chapter 37 verse 7, be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. That is His promise. I will wait and I will offer, I will entrust everything to Him. I am not expecting too much, but I know that God has a lot of things, has a lot of special blessings or surprise blessings for me in 2000.